So Joanna Walker, you heard her a little bit earlier on the show. She's a 2019 Jamaica Gospel Song Competition winner, and we're very happy to have her with us this morning. Morning, Joanna.
Good morning, Delia.
Can't help myself when I see her, I said, it's Joanna. It's Joanna. So talk to me about gospel and your journey in singing, first of all. Where did it start?
Well, both my parents sing, and yes. And it started in the church, of course, like most people here in Jamaica.
Yeah.
But then JCDC have nurtured me throughout my school years, because I used to enter the performing arts competition.
What school?
I used to attend Christiana High School.
Okay.
Yes, so whoop, whoop, big up on yourself.
So through the JCDC performing arts competition and church, you would have been working on your vocals and so on.
Absolutely.
But what made you decide that this would be a long-term path or a career path?
You know, I loved my daddy. I love daddy, and he started, when I saw him, how he struggled in the industry, I said, I wanted to, but I'm going to do it even better, even greater. So I started out in the West, in the hotel, singing, doing jazz. And then I said, I'm going to go back to gospel.
My roots.
Yeah. And I took it to JCDC, and they said, oh, this is a nice song. You need to come and enter.
Wow.
Yes.
So that really was the first time having decided I'm going to go back into gospel?
Yeah, it was a few years ago, actually.
Okay.
I've decided to, but then when I took the song, I said, all right, this is it. I'm going to launch myself into it, because I'm planning on, releasing a few singles, but nobody knew. Nobody knows who I am.
Right. No, you raised an important point, because I say to persons all the time, the JCDC competitions, yes, they're great to win, but they're also an important tool for development and for exposure.
Absolutely.
Because you do the road shows, you get to come on TV. So people would have never heard the name before.
That's true.
Get a chance to see you, and that can help you to propel other things.
Yes.
So what's been happening since winning, and where are we going?
Wow. Well, I was here on All Together Sing as a guest judge. And that was amazing, because I've always dreamt of that.
Yeah.
And then my mentor, I call him my mentor now. Dennis Rushton was there. He was the first judge when you just started all Together Sing. So I was so happy when, he encouraged me then, and he was here on that day.
Girl, let me tell you something. People don't give TVJ the ratings that TVJ deserves for the performing arts, and it's not because I work here.
Yeah.
But when you sit down and you tick off all the young talent that has come through All Together Sing, I mean, and I'm bigging up the teachers in school.
Yes.
But I like to think because of All Together Sing, they've been more encouraged.
Absolutely.
And so Dennis would have helped you.
Oh, yes, he encouraged me.
Awesome.
And since then, I've been on Genesis. I've been at the fireworks at the waterfront, many other concerts. And, people, when I go out and start singing my song and they start singing, taste for the Lord is good, and doing the dance, it's amazing. I feel really good. And, I'm so happy that the hard work really paid off.
So this are you going to do that for us now?
Oh, yes, I'm going to do it this morning. But to mention that the audition, is the audition
for the gospel?
Yes. One of the thing is, last year, when I entered, I almost did not want to enter, but I took a leap of faith, and I want to encourage each and everyone out there that the audition is tomorrow in Ocherius at St. John's Methodist Church. And they need to come out with your song. Let JCDC help you with it. It might not be complete, but they can hear. They'll
help you with their arrangement.
Absolutely. And then we'll also have the Eastern Region audition at the Eastwood Park New Testament Church on February 7th. So they need to come out and do that.
All right, let's check the JCDC website. It'll tell you where it all is. Go out. The list of gospel song winners in Jamaica, Glacia Robinson. If I name them, they're big stars coming out of the JCDC, so it's important to go.
Indeed.
We're going to taste.
And see.
We're going to taste and see.
And see, yes.
All right.
That the Lord is good, yeah. Taste for the Lord is good, oh. complete. My life was like someone lying. Then I realized it was a waste of time. Then I remembered Jesus. With him everything's alright. So me I go along by you, my Jesus. Say come in, this my picnic. You carry me go river and dig me. With the Holy Ghost and fill me. And fill me, fill me, fill me, yes, yes, Lord, yes. Taste for the Lord is good, oh. Taste for the Lord is good, oh. Come, taste for the Lord is good, oh. Taste for the Lord is good, oh. I say taste and see what the good Lord has done for me. Taste and see that the good Lord will make you happy. Let me ask you something. Have you tasted sugar dumpling? Have you tasted fried chicken? If you haven't tried Jesus, then you haven't tasted anything. In the midst of sorrow, in the midst of pain, me I go along by you, my Jesus. Him say come in, this my picnic. From the miry pit, him lift me. And the valley of the shadow, him with me. With me, he's with me today, yesterday, forever. The Lord is good. The Lord is good. Taste for the Lord is good. Oh, taste for the Lord is good. Well, taste and see what the good Lord has done for me. I say taste, 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 taste and see. The good Lord will make you happy. Hey, Jesus save me, cleanse me within. Know me within, me not turn back again. No, money no sweet so, life no sweet so, food no sweet so, family no sweet so, nothing no sweet so. When them ask me, what's sweet, yo? It's Jesus, Jesus.